Good day. Our problem for today is how are we going to solve the systems of linear equations using eliminations. Now, in this case, our given equations are 5x plus y is equals to 9 and 10x minus 7y is equals to 18. Kaya lang, kung mapapansin po natin, yung ating pong given equation sa equation number 1 and equation number 2 ay wala po tayong mai-eliminate kaagad. Ibig sabihin nun, wala tayong madidelete. Wala tayong matatanggal kaagad. So, pag ganito ang case, pag ganito ang scenario, we have to find ways kung paano po ba ang gagawin natin. In this case, ang gagawin po natin ay mag-isip tayo ng paraan para magkaroon tayo ng equation na kung saan makakancel out po natin sila and at the same time i-eliminate. So dito, sa ating gagawin, yung equation number 1, since yung equation number 1 natin ay yun po yung medyo mas maliit yung value ng x and y, ang gagawin ko po is I want to multiply this by negative 2 so that later on ay makakapag-cancel out na po tayo. So, let's try. Gawin po natin to. So, ang gagawin po natin, we have to multiply this by negative 2. Ibig po sabihin nun, if we multiply the first equation by negative 2 times 5, we have negative 10. And if we multiply this negative 2 by positive y, that is negative 2y. And if we multiply negative 2 times 9, that is equals to 18. At kung mapapansin natin, yung ating outcomes ay meron ng katulad sa equation number 2. So, ibinaba lamang po natin yung equation number 2 natin. Kung mapapansin po natin, itong dalawa, same na po sila. Ang pagkakaiba lang po nila ay magkaiba na yung kanilang sign. And thus, in this case, pwede na po tayo mag-eliminate. Ibig sabihin nun, makakancel out po natin yung atin pong 10x negative and 10x which is positive. Ang matitira po natin, we have to add this number. Remember, in adding integers, pag magkaparehas yung kanilang sign, we have parehas negative, we just add the number, then copy the sign of that bigger number. As also, dito sa right side, since parehas pang kanilang sign, we just simply add that two numbers and copy the sign. And therefore, we have 2 plus 7, that is equals to 9, and 18 plus 18, that is equals to 36. Same negative po sila. Alright? After na magawa po natin ito, ang next po natin is to multiply this by the inverse of the y coefficient. Yung number na nasa katabi ng y, that is equals to negative 9. And therefore, i-multiply natin siya sa negative 1 over 9 so that we can cancel out dito. Then, ang matitira po natin, pag mag-cancel out po tayo, that is equals to y is equals to 4. Bakit naging 4? Kadalasan dito tayo nagkakamali. So we just simply divide 36 divided by 9. Parehas po sila negative and therefore magiging positive po. Pagkatapos po natin gawin yan, ang next po nating hakbang is to find for the value of your x in terms of y. Ang gagamitin po natin na equation ay ang ating equation number 1. Anyway, kung saan po ang gustong mong equation na pwedeng gamitin, nasa sayo po yan. And at this time, ang gagamitin ko po ay ang equation number 1. So, to solve for the value of your x, ang gagawin lamang po natin, papalitan lamang po natin yung ating pong y. Since ang value ng ating y is equals to 4, lagyan natin. So, let's find out. Ano po kaya nangyari? Okay, we have 5x, kinopy lang natin, then yung y, pinalitan natin ng 4. Saan ang galing? Dito po, sa kabila. Then, we just bring down 9. Pagkatapos po nun, lipat lamang po natin si 4 dun sa kabila. Positive po yun, kaya po naging negative. Then, if we subtract 9 minus 4, ang sagot natin is 5. Then dito, bring down lang natin. After na makuha po natin, since meron pa tayong value dito, divide po natin or multiply po natin sa kanilang inverse. So that is equals to multiply by 1/5 times 5x is equals to 1. Then cancelled out. Cancelled out. Ang natira po natin is only 1. And therefore, the value of our x is equals to 1. After na makuha natin ang kanilang value, susulat po natin yung kanilang solution. Thus, the solution is x is 1 and y is 4. So, pwede natin isulat in this form. Parehas lamang po yun. We have our solution is 1 and 4. Right after na makuha po natin ang kanilang solution, ang next na hakbang natin is to check your answer if it is right or wrong. So, to check for your answer, kailangan po natin ng dalawang equation. Ang equation po natin ito, number 1 at saka number 2. Let's check. So, we have, ang ginamit ko po muna ay ang equation number 1. Then, kinopya ko pa ang equation number 1, na galing po yun dito. We have 5x plus y is equals to 9. Then, we have 5 multiplied by the value of your x. Yung x po natin dito, ito po yun, yung 1 na nakuha natin dito sa atin pong part na yun. Kaya ipinalit natin sa x natin. Then, yung y po natin, which is equals to 4. Okay. Pagkatapos po natin gawin yan, we have now to simplify. We multiply 5 times 1, that is equals to 5, and bring down 4. 5 plus 4, that is equals to 9, which is equals to 9. Check. Then for the second equation, ito po ang ginamit natin sa second equation ay dito. 10x minus 7y is equals to negative 18. Remember, we have to write the equation. Then, again, palitan po natin yung x ng 1, palitan po natin yung 4 ng 4, ng y ng 4. Then simplify, that is equals to 10 times 1 is 10. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. Then we have, if we subtract 28, negative 28 minus 10, that is equals to negative 18. Dito sa kabila, bring down, negative 18, yung check. So, ganun lamang po kadali, magsagot ng isang equations na hindi po opposites ang kanilang variables. First is to find ways on how to multiply so that we can have same variable. Have a good day.